Hey guys, are you frustrated with Gmail not receiving emails? You're not alone. So in this essential tutorial, I walk you through simple and effective solutions to fix Gmail not receiving emails. So let's start. First of all, you just need to open your Gmail app. And then click on three-line menu option at top left corner. Now scroll down, and select Settings. Select your Gmail. And then scroll down, and at the end position you can find the option Data uses synchronized Gmail. You need to mark this option. After that, close it. Now open your phone settings. Then go to Apps list. Now find out Gmail manually or search by Gmail. You can see Gmail, just open it. Now tap on Storage, and then clear all data. After following the steps, I hope your problem will be solved. And you can receive an email from Gmail. If you think this video is helpful for you, please like that video and hit the subscribe button to get more update video.